Hello students, today there is an announcement to you, that is the 8th standard mathematics syllabus is state syllabus till now, but now it has been become changed to NCERT syllabus. So according to that syllabus, I am again starting the first chapter, playing with numbers. So you already know about the number system, like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. So natural numbers are the countable numbers. We can able to count the numbers. So those numbers are called natural numbers. The set of numbers are represented by n. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by W. Here, this is a set of numbers which includes 0 and natural numbers. And integers which includes negative numbers and whole numbers. So those are called integers. And rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in P by Q form. Here P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So these are the types of the numbers. So you already learnt in your previous classes. So in this chapter we exploring some other topics. Okay. So first one is numbers in general form. Numbers in general form. Numbers in general form. General form. If you take an example 57, so this is a number, two digit number. This is a 2-digit number. You know that place values. So according to place values, 7 is in unit place, 5 is in 10th place. Okay. So now, so 5 is in 10th place. So this is 50 plus 7 is in unit place. So 10 5s are 50. You know that. So 10 into 5 plus 7 into 1. Okay. Similarly, take another example 32. So here 2 is in unit place, 3 is in 10th place. So 10 3 is a 30. So this is 30 plus 2. So 10 into 3 plus 2 into 1. So generally the two digit number can be written AB. Okay. Now A is in 10th place, B is in unit place. So this can be written as 10 into A plus B into 1. Okay. So 10 into A is 10A plus B into 1 is B. Instead of AB, we can write BA. So now here just reverse this number. So instead of AB we can write BA. So we can, like here 57 can be written in the reverse form. How can be written? 75. 32 can be written in the reverse form 23. Like that. So AB in the reverse form can be written as BA. So now B is in 10th place, A is in unit place. So 10 into B plus A into 1. 10 into B is equal to 10B plus A. This is the general form of two-digit number. General form of two-digit number. Similarly, you can take a 3-digit number, that is 347. Now 3 is in 100 place, 4 is in 10th place, 7 is in unit place. So how can we written this one? This is written as 300 plus 40 plus 7. It can also written as 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1. This is also written as 100 into 3 plus 10 into 4 plus 7 into 1. Take another one example, 243. So how can we written as 200 plus 40 plus 3. So now it can be written as 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This can be written as 100 into 2 plus 10 into 4 plus 3 into 1 or 1 into 3. Okay. Now take a general form. General form is A, B, C. So how can we written as? It's very simple. A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1. So here A is in 100 place, B is in 10th place, C is in unit place. It can be also written as 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C into 1. This can written as, or this can be written as 100 into A is 100A plus 10B into plus C. Can also be written as. Instead of ABC, we can write it as CBA. Just reversing the number. Instead of ABC, we can write CBA. That is just reverse the number. So now it can be written as, it can be written as C into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1. It can also be write 100 into C plus 10 into B plus C into 1. That is 100C plus 10B plus C. So this is the general form of 3-digit number. This is general form of 3-digit number. Okay. So thank you students. In my next video, so continue to this chapter.